morning as I was getting dressed and as I was writing an email earlier to my clients about our Black Friday special. Our Black Friday special is out. I have this realization. The clients that I have saved the most money, the clients that I have saved thousands, are those that came to me prepared, right? With a certain thing. So I was like, you know what? And I've said this to people a dozen times, and I'm going to say it here live. If you go to the hairdresser and you say, or hair stylist, and you say, hey, I want to get weave, but you only have this much hair, you don't have enough to cover your tracks. So that's just like going to your accountant saying, hey, I need you to lower my tax bill. I need you to get me a refund, but you don't have any tracks. You got to show up, or you don't have any hair. Okay? You cannot show up without hair. You cannot show up just with simply with your tax documents and expect your accountant to work a miracle. So today, what I want to do is I want to talk to you guys about how to best prepare for your accountant to get you the lowest tax bill, to lower your tax bill, to help you owe less, to help you get the refund that you are looking for. This is what we must do if you want to win. Come on, y'all. Give me a second. I'm going to take a little bit of break. I'm going to take a sip of my coffee, and then we're going to talk about it. All right, y'all. So look, y'all gave me enough time to take a sip of my coffee. I actually ran to put some sugar in it because what I got to share with y'all is also sweet. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed your Black Friday and are ready for what I have to share. Now, I gave you guys a cute way of saying it that look, your taxes, I can't help you. Well, I can, but what happens is you want to treat your accountant, or I'm not saying you, but a lot of times when it's time to prepare our taxes, we're so focused on gathering the tax documents, grabbing our W-2s, grabbing our 1099s, and grabbing like whatever other tax documents we have, the rental property 1099. And sometimes we forget about the rental property expenses. That is extremely important, right? You can't just capture your income without counting your costs and calculating your expenses. Now, if you want to be best prepared for this, what I recommend is a capture system. All right. My clients that I'm able to save, they've actually some with with a little bit of arm twisting, they've actually adopted my capture system. That is an accounting system, whether it's zero accounting system or another accounting system. We actually are offering zero accounting systems to the first 20 people that register under VIP, under the VIP experience. If you register for my Pocket More Profit Bootcamp under the VIP experience, I will actually give you a free 90-day subscription to Zero XERO accounting system. Okay, we have a couple of extra in our back office that we want to bless a couple of people with, but that is one of the capture systems. And accounting system is a capture system. It doesn't matter if you don't own a business. Now, if you are a 1099 and you're watching this, because this is for you, okay? If you're a 1099 and you're watching this, you are a business owner. You are an entrepreneur. Now, it takes money to make money. All right, let me say that again. It takes money to make money. Therefore, what your capture system does is it helps us capture the expenses that it costs you, or the amount or the money that it costs you to make the money. So if you have a 1099 for $10,000, right? It costs you something to get that $10,000. You didn't just show up and the business said that, hey, we're going to pay you $10,000. You had if you work from home, you had your home office expense, you had travel costs, you had, even if it was reimbursed. One of the things that 1099s must be aware of and be careful about is when you're 1099 or when the business that's 1099ing you, oftentimes they will reimburse you for the expenses. You need to be sure that what they're reimbursing you for is not also included as income on your 1099. Because if that is the case, you have to make sure that you also recognize that expense to get to the correct number that should be taxed or that will be taxed, right? So taxes is all about taxable income. And your full 1099 check, the amount that you collected throughout the year, that full amount, that is not the taxable number. That is not what you should be paying taxes on. We got to get to the right taxable number. And in order for me to help you as a 1099 contractor to do that, I must have the expenses captured. So I offer this capture system to you. Get an accounting system. If you already have an accounting system and you're a little bit behind, I can help you get caught up. I'm actually, today is Black Friday. I'm running a Black Friday special. So if you are my client, because my Black Friday offer has been and is exclusively for my clients. But if you register for the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp, right? Then you are essentially a client, and I will send you, be sending out an offer to everyone who registered for the Black Friday, it's free to register for the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. If you register for the bootcamp, I will send you our Black Friday coupon. And guess what it is? It's 40% off of our regular services, right? That is a $300 spend, and you receive $500 off. So that means that if your tax return is $500, then you actually get it today for $300 with the coupon. Or our catch-up accounting. You can get catch-up accounting and 1-year tax return with us. So this is for those of you guys, if you're behind a year or two or more on your taxes, you can get accounting, you can get the capture system, and you can get the tax return. And it's on our website for $49.97. Today and today only, you get that 50% off with our 50% coupon, right? I am trying to bless you guys today because it's Black Friday and it's time for you to be in the black. So if you're a 1099 contractor, here is the tip, all right? Don't treat your accountant like a tax person or like that tax company that you normally go to with the green sign, or that tax company with the red sign, or the tax man that you normally go to. Don't treat your accountant like that, because you're going to get the same results. Treat your accountant like an accountant. Come in with your receipts, or with your receipts already counted, or do what's best. Get the capture system, y'all. It's only $5 a month, and I'm offering it to you for free for 90 days with the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. Register, upgrade to either the VIP experience, right? And if you can't make the cannot make the December 1, 2, 3 boot camp at 1 p.m. every day, then you can catch the replays. The replays are 8 p.m. each evening, but you must be a part of the replay team, and you must be a part of the VIP experience to get the Q&A session of the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. Hey, y'all, it's time to win. 1099 contractors, make sure that you know again that the taxes that you make, or I'm sorry, that the income that you make is not what you should take to your tax return. What should be taken to your tax return for taxes is the amount the amount that you make minus the expenses. And be careful. 1099s, be careful, okay? Even if your company or the business that's paying you is actually reimbursing you for expenses, they actually could be including those costs to them as a part of your income. So whereby you may not be taking the write-off, and you should if it's included in your income, but how would you know that if you don't count your costs and you don't count your income? So get the capture system, come to your accountant prepared. And another reason why you should come prepared to the accountant is I can help you based on what I can see. And the way that I see into your financial life is through the accounting system. In your accounting system, we track the way that you spend your money and all the income that you receive. I actually take a look at that during our session because I'm an accountant. I look at it. An accountant's job is to consult you, help you plan it, and help you account it. Okay? And that is what your CPA should be doing. Consulting, planning, and accounting is for you. So when you come and you go to your accountant, I want to help you be prepared, whether your accountant is me or whether it's not, because it's enough out here for everybody. I can't take everybody. I can only take a few people. Or I can only take what our current team has the bandwidth for. And we are still taking clients, if you're wondering. Yes, we are. And we're expanding and growing our team as we move into 2023. So if you like to work with us, let me know. Our Black Friday coupon has been released. It is 40% off for our $300 coupon is $500 in services. Our $2,500 coupon is for $5,000 in services. So I want you guys to go and grow to your unlimited life. This is Spicita. I am Spicita, founder and chief accountant at sfinancialcpa.com. I want you guys to have a blessed Black Friday. And remember this, tomorrow, the e-file system closes. So if this is you and you have not e-filed your tax return, it doesn't mean you can't send the return in. It just means you can't e-file it. The e-file system closes, and we are taking clients. If you're trying to get something in, we'll take it until 12 o'clock today. So if you can get it into us, go to my website and fill out a form and get started. And we look to working with you and helping you save or staying in the boot camp. Love y'all. Y'all have a wonderful Black Friday, and don't spend all your money on Black Friday. Or if you do spend it on what you need in your business. Okay? And before I go, I know I keep saying I'm leaving, but I'm not leaving, but I'm not leaving. I think it's important to tell you guys this. Black Friday is a time for you to save on the equipment that you need. So for example, me, I am in the market for the best restreaming live camera on the market, and not only so that I can be better at streaming these live to you guys, but for example, I'm going to write that asset off. So if the camera cost me $3,000, I will be taking that $3,000 as an expense on my tax return to lower my taxable income. If I have enough tax deductions, guess what? I get that same $3,000. I don't have to take it all this year. I'm going to talk to my accountant, me, and tell them that, look, I want to be able, I got some big income coming in the next year or so, and I need to make sure that I'm building expenses for that, and your accountant can help you with that. So make sure that you're spending smart, you're investing in your business, because anything that you spend today on Black Friday, make sure it's something that's going to grow your business up to the revenue goal that you have. All right, y'all, I love y'all. 1099s, make sure you get the accounting system. Join the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. First 25 of you that join and get the replay or even the VIP experience, I'll give you 90 days, okay? I said the VIP experience, but if you join, I will give you 90 days the zero accounting system if you don't already have it. All right, love y'all. Bye.
The profit you want, the tax bill you want, and the freedom you want will be fueled by you reinvesting your profits back in your business. That's exactly why I founded the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp Challenge. Just for small business owners, contractors, consultants, those of you who just do business on the side, I founded this challenge to help you know the business tax deductions that belong to you. Now, I'm on a mission this year. I want to help 1,000 businesses pocket more profit so that you can take your business to the next level. Join the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp at www.pocketmoreprofitbootcamp.com.